So what is digital marketing? People tend to get really confused about what digital marketing is, and they overcomplicate it when it's pretty simple. Hey there, so for those of you that are new, I'm Neil Patel. I'm a digital marketer based in the UK, and on this channel we break down digital marketing and personal development so that we can better growth hack businesses, our careers, and ourselves. Today I'll tell you what digital marketing is in the simplest way possible, and you'll learn why it's so important to businesses, especially when compared against traditional marketing. And this video is going to be my introduction into my video series on how to get into digital marketing. So let's get into it. By the way, if you're liking the content here on Growth Vertical, then be sure to hit the like button so that it can help the YouTube algorithm get this video to a lot of people out there that also need this help. So what is digital marketing? Well, first things first, digital marketing is not just something to do with social media. It's so much more. I'm so glad I got that out the way. Digital marketing is literally marketing, but using digital tools. So to put it more simply, it's marketing online. And what is marketing? Well, marketing is to position your brand, your products or services in a way that communicates value to your target audience. Basically communicating value to your potential customers so you can get them to buy your products or services. What are the differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing? Think of traditional marketing as the old school ways to market a brand, product or service. Think about radio, TV advertisements, events marketing, newspapers, leaflets, direct mail, anything of the sort. Anything that's normally physical in the marketing world. So think about it as something physical. And digital marketing is simply using digital tools instead. Think of website management, search engine optimization, so using the Google, Yahoo, Bing search engines, social media marketing, content marketing, affiliate marketing, video marketing, conversion rate optimization, UX and design. Like, there's so many elements to digital marketing now that we're moving into this very technologically advanced space. So anything that is not physical but online, right? Anything used to communicate online. By the way guys, if you're liking this content so far and you want to see more in the future, be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. So what's better, traditional marketing or digital marketing? Think about where all the eyes used to be versus where all the eyes are now. So where was the attention before and where's all the attention now? Now, traditional marketing can be effective if used well enough, but usually you'd go after the digital strategies and then leverage traditional so that you can get that broader spectrum as part of your overall marketing strategy. It's actually seen as quite costly because a lot of people actually don't spend that much time on those channels anymore, and it's really hard to measure at times. You'll probably have to loosely connect the dots between running an ad campaign on the TV and then seeing a spike in sales just by looking at the time period of where those sales actually came into the business. So when you think about the last time you were driving and you saw a big poster about a movie, or you were watching TV and you saw a new tech gadget that's being marketed at you, that's traditional marketing. And digital marketing is seen as the more effective way of marketing. This is because it's a cost-effective way of reaching a lot of people just at a click of a button. And because you can make these tweaks and improvements at such a rapid pace, you're able to actually utilize your marketing budgets much better and much more effectively. So the last time when you actually went on a blog or on a website, or even went to go watch a video on a specific product, that's digital marketing. So where is all the attention? All the attention is on the digital channels. We're finding more and more ways to engage with technology and access information through a digital means. Think about the last time you read a newspaper versus reading news on your phone. Do you watch TV anymore? No, you're probably watching Netflix or YouTube or listening to podcasts or reading blogs. So companies like Google and Facebook, they're the new generation of media companies because they have all the attention on their platforms. They have all the eyes and everyone's time, and time is really precious. Therefore, where do you think the most effective marketing takes place? Online or offline? So there you have it. That was digital marketing. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you actually understood digital marketing a bit better. It's a great area. It's really fast-paced, really exciting, and really innovative. Perhaps for those people that are actually looking to get into digital marketing, have actually got a taste of what it's like in the field and what the actual sphere is like. So if you liked today's video and you want to see more, I'd appreciate if you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or you want to see any specific content, comment them below and I'll definitely get back to them. So thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. See ya.